Yena manje 7 o'clock okay right isikhathi sokuvuka kumele ngiyohuba ngqwala istrati ngiphande shankura ngithi uyazwala la wasala itrain yandlula kumele ngigove nyotabalaza njengebantsu khathela ukurepela mahala bathi yo dope ilafi ifana namadice so desifuna ipop iko nongiphusha ibhesa head ngebody nekipa amahudi itrahela abanye abadinga isithipha mangihleli nakhala nithi angiphanda ungolova mangidabalaza niyabalabala nibhiza ungomona ende nokuringa ivareki imidayidinga ispan bayancanya naseval manje wine banekwala hayi okancane ngehobi phela nyaphana nami kumele ngibhekele iofi ngicela unganyathi phela nathi siphuma endlaleni ngicela ungaphaphi bheka ukuthi skipper sibhalweni yeah what I hope say hey pop ngicela ubona labo 7 hey pop yeah basana rasa hey pop 526 143 hey pop hey what I hope say
you 7 umona ikhenke butshwa nina destroyer wawungaphethe ucleme ukuthi uyajola nasi skipper shaya ipop yapopa uphosita siceba ngithi nalahola basusa yadropa fana ngithi uzoshona kini babuza ukuthi enhlaqofana ushone thina sabuza ukuthi enhlaqofana umothwe esami si red si blue si white wena unaso usho ukuthi awuhlathi awunasikhathi uhleva ubamba ibhanji awunekhathi futhi ukhomba nomjantshi ushaya idasi uyekelele Versace awungasmile phela mina ngilakhi
usoleka basimboleka uyakubaleka samkwatela sombona lethi yebo wathi khamba lethi khamba side what sinde what pepeta what sipa what hayi hlale K1 is the compliment of the company of course somebody do something athi ngimadala shooter ngihle ngesuta ayisinekhabisi namafutha oninkinga nami ngizomfutha ngisho ngi-writing is-8 ama-writing ama-scout angibhayise editor
I'm so drunk, I can earn for a month. Anybody pop truck, go to the trunk. D12 start, you want it, come get us. 7 Mile running, wild homies with us. Cause all my killers is talking that and got no problem with smacking no click. I have my wife, stud your growth, left, right, that's all she wrote. While the out, set it off tonight. It's D12, D12, we ready to fucking fight.
Trying to be the first one to catch in the dome. You know that Popo don't let me hold
broken beer bottles. When we walk in, you can smell trouble. Elbows flying, chicks is crying, dudes is leaving. You retreating, running to your car and skating off Regine. We make examples out of you, haters running your mouth. You the reason why your peoples is pouring their 40s out.